Imagine a world polluted with toxic chemicals, oil spills, and industrial waste. Nature has its own way of cleaning up these messes. Meet the unsung heroes of environmental cleanup, microbes. These tiny organisms break down harmful substances into harmless ones. Oil spills. Bacteria can consume oil, breaking it down into less harmful substances. Traditional cleanup methods often involve harsh chemicals and expensive equipment. Bioremediation is more sustainable. Imagine a world where polluted rivers are clean, contaminated soil is restored, and industrial waste is broken down safely. While bioremediation offers promising solutions, challenges remain. The process can be slow and may not work for all pollutants. Scientists are engineering microbes with enhanced abilities and developing new methods to deliver them to contaminated sites. Nature's cleanup crew, bioremediation for a healthier planet.